know Dan's a good Catholic boy. I'm Carla, and I'm ready to hype up the crowd with a poem. As the tragedies of life unfold, there is one truth be told, that by a beautiful Chicago lake, one man, this man, makes his escape. When things got rough, he dove on in. He jumped each great lake through pains and grins. He conquered all the news of life and faced it with little strife. Because he's very brave and bold, not gray and old, just cold, and chilled away. The bands and fans they came to see with a twinkle in their eyes of curiosity. What plunge, what sailor dive, what jackknife will be? He keeps fans wanting more of what is happening at this Montrose shore. Because you never know with Detox Dan what could be happening or what is his plan. With the cityscape and skies unreal, those fans, they want to embrace his deal of laking, not lacking, of taking and grabbing our breaths away for a full 2 years, nearly every day. So grab your glasses and do a shot with Detox Dan to this very, very dedicated lake jumping man! And next we welcome Mike Reeve.
Alright, I'm going to scream it out. So, just maybe for this first one. Yeah, and then after that, they'll pretty much all be covered, so talk. Oh, yeah. I found this guitar on the street in 60625 where I live, and this is a song about Chicago. Maybe a night like 606 to 5. Setting summer sun, it feels alright. Take Western all the way down to the Brown Line train. A night like 606 to 5. Maybe and I sit close on my seat.